Hi guys, my name is Julian from Gabon Adventure Tours. In today's video, we are going to talk about what you should wear or what you should pack when you go for hiking or for safari in the rainforest. Your safety should be the first thing you should care about. So this is really an important topic just because in the jungle, everything can be dangerous, guys. The animals, the insect, even the vegetation. So it's really important for you to protect yourself. About what you should wear, first of all, you will need a really good walking boot. Actually, I'm using a really nice walking shoes, which is pretty comfortable. Yeah, and then you will need long socks and cover all of it with a pant or a jean, but I will suggest you to have a jean because it's already designed for remote area. All of this will protect you against all the danger on the ground in the jungle, particularly against snakes. You can also use gaiters, but I think it will be too much because it will not be so comfortable for you. Other people also use lace socks, but in Gabon we don't really have lace, so this also will be too much for you. On the top you can wear a shirt or a long sleeve top, but actually I'm wearing a t-shirt just because it's too hot here. You can do the same, but always make sure your clothes are not too tight or thin, just because mosquitoes or other insects can bite through. Yeah, and also make sure your clothes also can really dry quickly. This is really important. Many people will recommend you to wear a hat, but in my case, I really don't like it, just because I always want to see everything around. Uh, and to end up with what you should wear when you go for hiking or for safari in the jungle, the first rule, you should take care when you make a choice about your clothes. It's always to avoid a maximum skin exposition. Yeah, you will love just because my arms are just like this. It's just you will always try to find a compromise between your safety and your comfortability, and this is really important. Now let's have a look about what you should pack. First of all, you will need a refillable bottle of water. It's really important for you guys. Then you will need an insect repellent, yeah, because they are really dangerous insects in the jungle. Yeah. I have with me a light, but it depends. If you go for night safari, you will need it. If not, You don't need it. Yeah, I have a light with me. I have a light with me. It's always important to have something to make fire urgently in a forest. Then, for some of our adventurers who would like to have a knife, yeah, I will recommend you to have your knife with you. And in Gabon, yeah, it's not forbidden to bring your knife into the country, so you can have it. But I would like to say one thing too is going in the jungle with a knife is not really the best choice. But if you already have a knife, it's okay. It's okay. And in the end, your filming stuff and your backpack should not be up to 2 or 3 kilos. Yeah, because it will be really heavy in the jungle and it's really hot. So be sure of it. Okay, guys, I would like to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to successfully explore the African jungle in Gabon. Bye.